When a monkey takes its first bite of a ripe banana, its teeth mash the soft fruit, while saliva releases digestive enzymes that begin breaking down carbohydrates instantly, forming a smooth bolus that the tongue pushes toward the throat, before it is swallowed and guided down the esophagus by gentle wave-like muscle movements called peristalsis. Once the banana reaches the stomach, natural acids and enzymes dissolve it into a creamy mixture known as chyme, releasing potassium, vitamin B6, and natural sugars, which then flow into the small intestine, where thousands of tiny villi absorb nutrients into the bloodstream, delivering quick energy to muscles, supporting heart rhythm, and fueling the brain.